In this video, I want to talk about something that might be happening to you with your Bissell little green machine when even if you have water in this reservoir and you go to clean something and you're pushing the button, the water is not spraying out. So this is actually a really easy fix, and I'll explain it to you before I turn this on because it's so loud. First, I'll show you that it's not working, and then I'll show you what I got to do to make it work. So here we go. We're going to turn it on. As you can see, it's not spraying, but all you need to do is hold this up like this just for a couple seconds, and it'll start to spray. This could be a 2-for-1 video because, as you can see, it looks like it's a little clogged. So I'll show you how to fix that too. So if it's still not spraying, or it was spraying kind of like this was, it could be clogged. So you can take just a toothpick, and in here there's a teeny tiny hole, but basically just put the toothpick in there or a paper clip, and you can see the tip of the toothpick right there. You can see as I move this around, there's some junk that was in there that should spray out. And you could do this too. Just be careful, you don't want to break the toothpick off and have that jammed in there. Now we'll try it. So if your Bissell Little Green wasn't spraying water at all, or if it was clogged, I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.